we'll be playing a few bar chords today and a few open chords. So the first chord of this family is an E. So you'll be using the first and the second column, and use your middle finger on the second column, 5th string, your ring finger on the second column still, but on the 4th string, and your index finger on the 3rd string on the 1st column. When you sound like that, you can strum all 6 strings. So this is how it goes. And the next chord is it's not A, this is A, so it's an A2. So what we do is, I'll introduce you the A chord first. To press an A, what you do is, you have your little finger here, you will be using only the second column. The little finger will be here, and the ring finger on top of it on the 3rd string, and on the 4th string you have your middle finger. This is an A chord, and you strum from the 2nd string. You strum from the 5th string, sorry. It's an A, and if you want an A2, you release the last finger, your little finger, you release it, and left with 2 hanging there. This is an A2. Okay, so this is an A, this is an A2. Okay, now we move on to B. So for B chord, this is the barred version of B chord, so we call it a bar chord, B chord. So what happened is, this is A, you shift, you're in the 2nd column, you shift your A to the 4th column, from the 2nd column to the 4th column. So you move from the 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th. Move here, and it's not done. So your index finger is freely hanging here. You put it on the 2nd column. Okay, so you move this A, which is all in the 2nd column, to the 4th, and your bar, which is done by your index finger, you put it on the 2nd column. So you strum everything. This is a B chord. Okay, and now you want to have a C chord. Okay, you want to have a C chord. Sorry, C sharp minor. So what you do is, we start with A minor. Okay, so this is an A minor. For the A minor, you have your you'll be using only the 1st and 2nd column, and your index finger here on the 1st column, 2nd string, your ring finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd column, and your middle finger, 2nd column, 4th string, and you strum. This is your A minor. But you can of course use a different orientation. For example, rather than using this 3 finger, you can use this, this, and this as well. I'll brief this to you. Your little finger, you have it here. You have it on the 3rd string of the 2nd column. Your ring finger will be on the 4th string, still in the 2nd column, and your middle finger now on the 1st column, 2nd string. But why do we do this? You'll see it in a moment. Because if you press this method, you can move this up and down, and your index finger is free. So what you do is, this is still at A minor and A minor, but it sounds the same. It's just a different finger orientation. And if you pull this up, 1, 2, so your whole thing now occupies the 3rd and 4th column. Okay, rather than the 1st and 2nd, now you occupy the 3rd and 4th. So with this, your index finger is free again. So what you do is, you bar the entire 6 strings, and this makes it a B minor. So this is how it sounds. This is a B minor. And then what you do is, you move, since you are in the 2nd column, the 3rd column, the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th column, you move everything up by 1. So move everything up by 1 column, like so. So now you are in the third, fourth and fifth column. We are occupying 3 columns again. This will be C minor. Okay, but I'm going to move up again, so one more column. So now this is C sharp minor. So now we're in the fourth, fifth and sixth column. This is a C sharp minor. So let's recap: B minor, C minor, C sharp minor. Okay, now we're going to play a G sharp minor. Okay, a G sharp minor is actually very close to this chord. What you do is this 2 finger now, which is on the sixth column. Okay, your little finger on the 6th column, you can move it up to the 4th string, little finger, 6th column, 4th string, and your ring finger on the 5th string, 6th column still, and your middle finger on the 3rd string, but on the 5th column, and your bar is on the 4th column. And if you strum this is a G sharp, okay. And if you remove the middle finger, it'll lead you to a G sharp minor. So this is G sharp, this is G sharp minor. Okay, G sharp minor, G sharp. This is a bar chord still. And then now, if you remember the chord just now, which is a C sharp minor, it's very easy for you to move upwards and remove the middle finger. So what you do now is, this is C sharp minor. If you remember from just now, we push it up from B minor, C sharp minor, G sharp, G sharp minor, just remove the middle, G sharp minor. Okay, and now if you shift the whole thing down, to the 2nd column now, you'll be an F sharp minor. Okay, so what happens is like this. So this is your G sharp minor. If you shift it down, 1, 2, so now you're technically in the 2nd, 3rd and 4th column again. Okay, with your middle finger free from the G sharp minor just now, with your middle finger free, this same position. So you have 3 columns. Basically, your 2nd column is occupied by the bar, your index finger is pressing the 6th string, your middle column has nothing in it, and your 4th column has these 2 fingers in it, the bottom finger, the little finger, and the 4th string, and your ring finger at the 5th string. So this is an F sharp minor. So this is an F sharp minor. Okay, so let's recap. This is an E, this is an A2, so C sharp minor here again. Remember, it's on the 4th column. Your bar is in the 4th column and you occupied 3 bars. And your G sharp minor, just move everything up, remove the middle. And your F sharp minor is on the 2nd column, same. So this is your F sharp minor, right? And then your B is basically an A pushed up by 1, 2 columns and bar the 2nd column. So this is a B. Okay, so now those are bar chords. So now I'm going to teach you open chords. So for the open chord family, we have this. This is an E, this is an A2, and for B, rather than pressing this, we press this. So what we are doing is, 2nd column, index finger on the 2nd string, your little finger on the 3rd string here on the 4th column, and your ring finger